Today, we're excited to share with you 5 amazing free Photoshop courses that you can start right now. Whether you're a beginner, looking to enhance your skills, or pursuing a new career, these courses have got you covered. Welcome back to a new free courses tutorial in our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let's unlock some incredible learning opportunities together. Course 1, Learn Photoshop CC in under 2 hours. This course offers a quick and comprehensive introduction to Photoshop CC, perfect for beginners. You can expect to learn essential tools and techniques in just under 2 hours. Next, we have Photoshop CC 2020 Productivity Techniques. This course focuses on advanced techniques and shortcuts to improve your efficiency in Photoshop. It's perfect for those looking to streamline their workflow and save time. Our third recommendation is Photoshop Graphic Design Pre-Made Designs. This course teaches you how to create stunning designs using pre-made templates and assets. It's a great resource for aspiring graphic designers. Moving on, we have Photoshop Graphic Design. Build your portfolio. This course helps you create impressive portfolio pieces that showcase your skills and creativity. It's perfect for anyone looking to build a strong portfolio. Last but not least, we have Exposure Best Practices. This course covers the best practices for achieving perfect exposure in your images. It's a must for photographers and digital artists. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more free course updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. For direct links to all these courses, check out our article linked in the video description below. See you in the next video.